Hey, the bus is here for you.
That's a dirty bus. Away.
And the morning blue is warning you. The Sabbath branches storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away.
Hey, where are we at?
Busch Gardens.
Busch Gardens.
Look at that pile of junk.
Wow, that's a pile of junk, all right.
Yeah. Actually, it's probably a pile of good stuff. Oh, it's got blood all over it. Nice. A lion's watching us.
We got a lion watching us. We're inside of a truck.
And the lions come on.
And they can come right up into the bed. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Yes, look at his jaws.
She's taunting the lion to try to get him to come in here.
She's our bait.
Lion bait.
Is it good enough?
Yeah. Freak if one came in.
I don't think they're having any of it. See, they can come right back into the back of the truck.
Again. Come on, kitty. It's not working. Even fish doesn't work.
No, he's not even looking anymore, Alex. Oh, it's so sleepy.
Wake up!
Kitty, kitty.
Wake up!
Poor kitty.
Don't touch me!
He's getting mad. He's
Don't touch
ruffling
me.
his feathers. No, don't touch him. He's mad. I did it before and he honked at me.
Hey. Oh, that guy wants some food too. He's like,
Okay, look that way so I can touch you.
Over here.
I know, you're so cute. I don't have anything to give you.
I don't have anything either. I just wanted to pet you.
He's watching me now. Don't you touch me, woman.
He
I
wants
think
some
he's begging for food. Feed me!
Feed me.
You can probably climb up that.
Yeah.
No,
it's
it's
got
got plexiglass on the front part.
Does it have glass? You can't see the glass. We'll take him home to Papa, huh?
Feed me. Smell me.
Ew. That's disgusting.
Hundreds of thousands. And they're constantly on the move, which is one of the reasons there are so many of them.
Whoa! That's a tiger right there in his head. There's his feet. There's me. Hello, kitty. Ouch. 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 Hit your shins on there. No, my shins.
No.
On the steps.
Yeah, it's kind of straight up, so.
No, está bien, aquí deben de estar, pero... Mira que así está, que no está el caminito.
Here, turn around and look at me, Alan. We're not going to get wet here, are we?
No, you might get just a little bit of spray.
I felt the spray when I was on it, and I'm like, oh. That's what I just rode. Here it comes, Alex. knows I don't have any food, so he doesn't want to come to me. Fine, be that way.
They're busy.
They're fighting amongst themselves.
They're having each other back.
Get as close to him as you can so you don't touch it.
No.
Very well. And you will see him actually live with them individually, which a lot of people think that they are not able to do. But
Thank you very
believe it or
much.
not,
That was very nice of you.
I don't think he wants to
We've
eat.
done the same thing, you know.
Probably been eating a lot.
Someone else.
There you go. He's showing
Give him something of the other stuff. He probably doesn't want that leaf. Just hold the thing out there for him. Let him choose.
Get off the microphone if you guys have any individual questions. Please feel free to come up and ask me.
That is so cool.
It's a video camera. There's no food here.
He wants to be on YouTube.
Oh, he's eating the food off the ground. Okay.
He's all interested.
He's interested in you.
I got nothing.
He's gonna dig though.
He's finding some food.
Oh, don't let Eddie see this. He'll be jealous. Another animal's getting affection. That is so awesome.
This is the nice one we had last time.
Isn't that cool, Alex? You got to feed him and pet him.
Usually kangaroos aren't friendly.
It's all stuck to his nose.
He wants to leave. Okay.
You didn't like the leaves?
I guess not.
Did you dump the leaves out?
Look at her smile. Try giving him the leaves, maybe.
Can he even see? He sounds like he's sick.
His eyes are closed. Aw, try to give him some.
They were telling about the milk, they had to feed them with fish.
Maybe somebody poked him in the eye or something. Oh, geez. Did he get you?
Kangaroo boogers.
Kangaroo booger. There's your souvenir. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe he has a cold.
Yeah.
Was that the one that squirted me?
Yeah.
Bad kangaroo.
Don't touch that. We'll wash you. Somebody want a gorilla. That is awesome. Bye. It's as big as Dad. It's so funny to see him carrying it like that too.
It's bigger than me.
That's hysterical.